As day 2 of the holiday edition of the Portfolio Master Challenge comes to a close, where all of our traders are battling it out for a $2,200 Amazon gift card, we have Laura just absolutely destroying the competition. 700% gain. Didn't even see Laura on the leaderboard yesterday. Just destroys everyone today. We have a 450%, a 350%, and a handful of 200% returns after that. Question is how? How are these people absolutely killing it the way they are? POL was a monster today. Showed up on Trade Ideas scanner at 6 in the morning, where there was a lot of volume, a lot of movement going on, and this one rocketed from $1 to $10 today. That is a 10x potential return in one day's move. So if you want to learn more, come on over to tradeideas.com.